This tutorial we are going to create string concatenations app. So we'll be joining two strings together, and I'm just going to show you guys how you can join one string to another. So let's get started. So we want to, let's say we want to have a name, and we want to say John, and we want to say we want to have surname as well. Surname is equals to do, and let's say we want to join the two, the name and the surname, and have full name is equals to name plus surname. And then let's say we want to have a bit of spaces in between, so we can have plus, and then we can put empty parentheses here, empty quotes, and just put a concatenation sign or a plus sign afterwards. So let's go ahead and print our full name and save the app and go to the terminal, my app.py, and now we have John Doe as the full name that is being displayed onto the console. So let's say we want to include the age, so we can say age is equals to 57, and let's say we want to print that John Doe is 57 years old, so we can say a phrase, we can have that phrase, and we can say full name plus age, and let's just print the phrase. And let's go ahead and delete this printing out here and save the app. Let's run our app, and now as you can see we are getting an error. So this error simply says that we cannot join a string to an integer because our age here is a number and full name is a string, so the two cannot be joined together directly as we did here. So what we need to do is to have str here and then wrap it around these brackets and just save the app, run again, and have like that. Now we have John Doe 57. So we said we want to type in a full message, so we said we want to say John Doe is 57, let me put a space here, is 57 years old. Let's save up the app and now run the app again. Now we can see John Doe is 57 years old. So let me just go ahead and reiterate what we did here. First of all, we declared a name here and we said a name is equals to John, and we also had a surname and said surname is equals to Doe, and then we joined the string name and surname to become full name, and these signs, the plus in this case, were working as concatenation signs, which means that we are joining the two strings and we're also including a space between the name and the surname. And then we went ahead and declared age, and then we gave it a value of 57, and then we wanted to display a message that says John Doe is 57 years old. So what we did was we already have a full name here from line 5, and then we just added an extra string which is, and also because age is a number, and in Python we cannot reference or we cannot join numbers with strings directly without having to convert the number to a string. So this method or this function str, what it does, it converts an integer to a string. So it's called a function because we add a number, we give it a number, and then our output is expected to be a string, and then we went ahead and printed the output, and this is exactly what we wanted. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. See you in the next one.